Hello, I'm Greg, an artist, designer and printmaker here in Kent. Allow me to introduce you to the Studio Diaries of Circa 1990. The Studio Diaries feature some of what I've been working on. Sit down, relax and join me as I experiment, explore and create in my design studio. Hello and welcome to the Studio Diaries of Circa 1990. This week I've been working on a promotional video which I can use to promote my Bath spa prints. To do this, I've gone back to my original illustration. This is a digital illustration with halftone patterns, which I created in Illustrator. It's then resized and available to purchase in A4, A2 and A3. I've brought it into another Illustrator document. This time it's square of 200 pixels by 200 pixels, which is the preferred size for Etsy's videos and images. It focuses mainly on the print itself, and then what I have done is I have deconstructed it so that it is in several layers. So I've got my copy layer, the frame layer, then I have my blue sky layer, the clouds, the ground, the trees in the background. Then there is the building and its background. There's the path and the foreground of the building. And finally some decorations, which include some pots or some ornamental features at the top and some plants in the foreground. With all of these separated out, I'm able to save them or export them all as PNG files, which can then be brought into a video program, and each element will be sized proportionally. Here the file has been reassembled in Premiere Pro. All the component layers are now layered on top of each other so they represent themselves in the same style as they were in the Illustrator file. You can see on the timeline at the bottom that all the images and layers will run for 20 seconds. 20 seconds is the maximum amount of time that you can use for a video in Etsy at the moment. Different features come in later, so the background goes in first and then everything afterwards comes in to build up the picture. What stays on top at all times is the frame and the text. I went on to export this as an MP4 file. This is a video which will then be used in the Etsy listing itself and I can use on social media. I will show you a clip in a moment to show how the video turned out. So here it is on my Etsy store page, Circa 1990 Designs. I've got my listing. And then the video loads within the main listing. I hope you enjoyed that snapshot into the Etsy upload process. This is just sort of the general marketing stuff that I will do to try and promote my prints and designs across social media and over the Etsy store as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have any comments, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.